These 3 plugins you must have in 2026. And if you master them, they're gonna level up your game in no time. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, so I'm not trying to sell you anything. So the first free plugin is Valhalla Supermassive, and I think it's the best reverb and delay plugin out there. And if you don't have it, you should definitely try and download it. It creates everything from subtle space to ambient textures, and it sounds so amazing. Let's for example create an ARP or a melody and try it on it. Here's a very simple raw melody that I made. And now let's add Valhalla Supermassive, and you can see how much a difference it actually makes. So we can just tweak the knobs here and see what we come up with. Valhalla Supermassive is so great because it has so many presets that you can browse, and you don't even have to know what these knobs mean. You can browse these and try everything out, and you will always most definitely find something you like. The second best free plugin is Vital, and Vital is the best free wavetable synthesizer out there. It's so much comparable to Serum, but Serum is so expensive and this is free. It has 3 oscillators, a noise oscillator, 2 filters, 3 envelopes, and 4 LFOs. And so many settings that you can assign to oscillators and filters and all these knobs. There's also so many effects that you can add and modify the sound through matrix and advanced settings. It has also ready-made presets that you can modify and try. And you can also find so many presets from the internet and from Reddit, for example, or some YouTube videos that are out there. If you master this, you can create any sound you want and you can dream of. Now let's create a melody and try it with some different presets of Vital. So this is the main sound without any presets downloaded. And now let's try some presets. So the third best free plugin of 2026 is Gion Kick, and it's a kick synthesizer. You can basically create any kick you want with this, and you don't need any samples later on. If you master this plugin, you're the master of kicks. This plugin has 2 oscillators and a noise oscillator, and if you tweak these knobs, you can create any kick you want. I've already made a more in-depth tutorial about this plugin to my channel, so if you want to master the kick synthesis, go check that video out, and after that you don't need any samples anymore. Thank you so much for watching my video. Leave a like, subscribe and comment. See you next time, bros.